Assalamu alaikum. I am here with another simple lesson of English speaking simple conversation for beginners. ऐसे लोग जिन्होंने अभी अभी इंग्लिश सीखनी शुरू की है या जिनकी एजुकेशन बिलो मैट्रिक है या अंडर मैट्रिक है उनके लिए ये सिंपल कन्वर्सेशन है. Use of different
Past
verbs in
indefinite
present
tense
indefinite
and
tense
in
and
past
in present
continuous
continuous
tense.
tense.
Let's see.
Let's see exercise about different tenses. What would be the structure of past indefinite tense and past continuous tense, and what is the use of verb in these both tenses? Verb is work. Work. He worked hard. This is this is past indefinite tense. He was working hard. This is past continuous tense. Let's see, in past continuous tense, the helping verbs are was and were. Was is always used with he, she, it, and were is always used with I, we, they, and you in past continuous tense. In past indefinite tense, the verb's form is second. Second form is used in past indefinite tense. For example, he worked hard. It is the second form of verb work. Work is first form and the second form is worked. When we use verb work in past continuous tense, it is used in simple form work and the helping verb was and were are used. For example, second verb is wash. In past indefinite tense, she washed dishes. In past continuous tense, she is washing dishes. When we use the verb in past continuous tense, it will be in its first form, work, and ing is added along with first form of verb, and helping verb were or was are used. Let's see second another verb fly. Fly. Birds flew in the air. Birds flew in the air. Flew is the second form of verb of fly. Fly is first form, flew is second form. Birds were flying in the air. In this sentence, there is use of helping verb were. Were and was are used in as a helping verb in past continuous tense. Let's see another example. They played cricket. They played cricket. Played is the second form of verb play and it is used in the past indefinite tense in second form. They played cricket. They were playing cricket. They were playing cricket. It is the sentence of past continuous tense. When we use verb in past continuous tense, it is in its simple form play. Let's see, we watched TV program. We watched TV program. Watch is first form and watched is second form. We were watching TV program. This is a sentence of past continuous tense. So watching first form of verb and addition of ing. Child broke his toy. It is the sentence of past indefinite tense. Child broke his toy and broke is the second form of verb. First form is break. Child was breaking his toy. Child was breaking his toy. It is the sentence of past continuous tense. Woodcutter cut the tree. Woodcutter cut the tree. It is the sentence of past indefinite tense. Woodcutter was cutting the tree. It is the sentence of past continuous tense. Let's see. Amna stitched her clothes. Amna stitched her clothes. Stitched is second form of verb of stitch. Stitch is first form and stitched is second form. And it is a sentence of past indefinite tense. Amna was stitching her clothes. Amna was stitching her clothes. It is the sentence of past continuous tense and stitch is the first form of verb, and along with first form of verb there is addition of ing because it is the sentence of past continuous tense. Thank you for watching. I hope you have understood about the use of different verbs in past tense. Either it is past indefinite or it is past continuous tense. Thank you for watching.